Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to check Snapchat friend requests you sent. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Snapchat. And then what you're going to do, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner, tap on my friends, and tap on add friends at the top. Under the suggestions, you will see the friends that you've added but not yet accepted. Snapchat does not have a specific section to view all outstanding friend requests you've sent. You can check your contacts and suggestions to see if you've sent requests to any particular user or users. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you.